how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a spawn loop in Geometry Dash. So basically, the first thing that I'm going to do is to actually add my spawn trigger onto my level right here. Now I'm going to be adding 3 spawn triggers, and right below that you could just add the trigger that you want to loop indefinitely. So from there, I'm just going to set this to something. Basically, I'm going to add it to pulse my background. So right after adding my triggers, let's then head over to our spawn trigger. And basically from here, what you want to do is to just group them one by one. So for example, for this one, let's go ahead and group this into something like group number 1. For the second one, of course, group number 2. And for the last one, it's going to be group number 3. From there, you just want to select everything together, click on added object, make sure that the spawn trigger is enabled, multi-trigger, and click on OK. So from there, let's select our spawn trigger. So what you want to do with this one is that basically with the first trigger, it will activate the second will activate the third, and the third will activate the first. So let's go ahead and just select something like group number 2. Let's go ahead and add a delay. For group number 2, it will activate group number 3, and once again, let's put some delay. And of course, the last one will activate group number 1, and then adding some delay. And so the last thing that you want to do is to finally add your last trigger. So let's go ahead and add another trigger right here that will basically initiate the process. And basically for this one, you could just make sure that you put group number 1. Let's go ahead and disable delays. And then if we trigger this spawn trigger right here, it will then initiate the triggers itself. And so guys, that's basically how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.